Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can replace words on Google Sheets basically. So for instance, I want to change this these three cereals into like eggs, for instance. This is just an example. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press Control F on my keyboard. I'm going to type in cereal, and then I'm going to select these three dots, and then I'm going to select replace with, and I'm going to type in the word I want it to be, so X for instance. Select search all sheets, and then you're just going to select replace all, press done, and that is it. And you can again replace it, so Control F, and then for instance eggs, you can replace them again with, for instance, let's go with orange juice. And then you can replace all again, and you can change that. Maybe like put it like in caps. Okay, that's fine, but that is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.